Some of the new weld controls will have Weld 1 and Weld 2. And most of the weld controls that have the two different weld segments in those are just a tool that you can use to give you a pulse type weld. Some of the welds that you're going to use on your high strength steel may require you using a Weld 1 to preheat that metal before you go into your weld. The same as if you're using coated material, that you can use Weld 1 as your preheat or your first pulse of energy or heat going into that metal to get rid of that coating, followed by a cool time or a delay time before you go into your Weld 2, which is actually your weld that you're going to use.